Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home appliances. Today, we're diving into the world of air movers, and I'm excited to introduce you to what I believe is the best Bauer fan on the market, the Mounto 1/5 of a horsepower air mover. Now, what makes this air mover stand out from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk power. With its 1/5 of a horsepower 3-speed motor, this Mounto air mover delivers a whopping 800 cubic feet per minute of airflow. That means quick and efficient drying for your floors, carpets, and any other surfaces you need to tackle. Plus, its compact size of 11 by 13 by 14 inches makes it portable and versatile. Whether you're working in crawl spaces, cabinets, or closets, this air mover can get the job done. But here's where it gets even better, the dual outlet feature. You can connect multiple fans together, maximizing airflow and coverage area. Say goodbye to dampness in larger spaces. And don't let its lightweight design fool you. Made from durable roto-molded plastic, this air mover is built to withstand heavy-duty use while remaining easy to carry and maneuver. Need to store multiple units? No problem. The Mounto air mover is stackable, equipped with a durable handle and wheel kit for easy moving. It's perfect for any cramped space that needs drying. 5 horsepower air mover, the best Bauer fan out there? It's all about power, portability, and versatility. Whether you're tackling a small spill or a major flood, this air mover has you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest home appliances. Until next time, stay dry and stay cool.